say, so for x, we've got x on the left hand side here, which is beautiful. It's good for the unknown to be on the left. Now let's open the bracket. We will be opening the bracket with -4. On the other side of the equal sign, we don't have any brackets at all, which is beautiful. Okay, good. Let's deal with this. This goes and this goes. We will be opening this bracket with the -4 that's found in front of it. Good. So -4 times 7x will give us a -28x. Excellent. Then we now have -4 times +8. This gives a -32. We have a -32 here. Now we could see that we've got a negative here as a -4 multiplied by a +7x. Though in front of this 7x, there is no plus sign, 7x, there is no plus sign in front of it. Let's go green here. Yeah, in front here, there is no plus, but whenever you've got a number and there is no sign in front of it, that means it's a positive number. If there's a sign in front of it, like in this case here, there's a sign in front of the 4 there, which is a negative, so that is a -4. But if you have a number and there's no sign in front of it, that means it's a positive. So we have a +7x there. So let's just study up. Move this one here. So 7x is a +7x. So we could see that when you multiply -4 by a +7x, that should give you a negative. So therefore, negative multiplied by positive, the negative will be persistent. The negative will remain. So it's going to be negative. That's why we have a -28x here. We also have a -4 multiplied by a +8. So we will see that this 8 is positive, and therefore when you multiply a negative and a positive, the answer must remain a negative. Negative is stronger than positive, so you must end with a negative. That's why we have a negative here, 32. Beautiful. So we can see -32 there. And then we could see this one here, -4 times +7x as a -28x here. And we can see that one there. So let's tidy up now. Okay, this one is sorted. -4 times +8 gives us a -32. We have -32 there, sorted. And then we have a -4 here, -4 multiplied by a +7x. We have what? We have a -28x. We have it there. And then we also talked about minus times. Yeah, got minus here, times plus. So negative times a positive will give us a negative. Okay, let's write that up there. And we have the same thing here. Minus times plus will give us a minus. Good, good. Okay, let's proceed. That is sorted. Good. So what do we have? At the other side of the equal sign, we have a -116. Good. Now we need to group like terms. So we will see that this one here is in the wrong place. To the left, we only want the unknown. Good, which has the x. So to the left here, we've got the left hand side here, and we've got the right hand side here. We want only the unknown to be on this side only. So therefore, -32 has got to move to the other side of the equal sign. Let's do that. So here, to the left, we only want the unknown, so -34 has got to go. So left, -34, you need to move to the right. Good. You need to move to the right side of the equal sign. Go, let's do that. Good, let's move them. So we now go. Okay, so now we still have our -116 here. And -32 goes to the other side and it becomes a positive. The minus into a positive is crossing the equal sign. So you change it into a positive 32. Excellent. And on the left hand side, we still have a -28 is still there. X is still there. Excellent. Let's proceed. We have a -116 plus 32. So here we've got 6 minus 2. We have a 4. We have 11 minus 3, we've got an 8, and a negative is still there, so we have a -84, and on the other side we got a -28x here left. Good. Now, where we are right now, if you're not told to show workings, there's a shorter way of doing this. Here, you got a negative on left, And on the right, you got another negative. So therefore, you can just go this way. You can just cancel this and cancel this, and you will end up with what? You will end up with 28x is equal to 84. Now, this one is not a positive number, no more negative, and it's a positive number, no more negative. Now, when you're told not to show workings, this is just what you do. You cancel negative on both sides and you're done. But if you're told to show you workings, we cannot do that. Now, let's see what we will do. So with this, all you need to do is to remove the negative, just multiply by negative. You know that minus multiplied by minus will give us a plus. And that's what we want to achieve on this side. We're only concerned about the left-hand side where we've got the x. We're not concerned about the right-hand side at the moment. But remember, whatever you do to the left, you've got to do to the right-hand side. So there's a right and left. We're only concerned about the left-hand side because we have the unknown. So to remove the negative on the left side, you need to multiply by a minus. Good. So let's do this. So here, now have this. So we're not going to go multiply by minus. So we have a minus 28x here. And whatever you do to the left, you have to do to the right. So we have a minus 84 there. So we'll have to multiply it by minus 2. Good. Okay, let's rewrite this minus sign here. And what do we have? So minus times minus will give us a plus. So therefore, we'll end up with a 28x. Beautiful. That's what we want to achieve. And then on the other side, minus times minus. We have a minus here times a minus here. It's going to give us a plus. We don't need to write a plus. So we're just going to have 84 there. We achieved removing the negative sign from the left-hand side. So here we can see that this negative sign is gone. This one is gone, is no more there because we multiply by minus. So we multiply these two minus and it's giving us a plus. So that's what we want. Okay, good. Let's tidy up. So we have this one, it's gone. This one here, let's leave it there to show our workings. This is gone, and this is gone, and that's what we have. Now let's go for the unknown, which is the x. 28 to the other side, you left with an x. And now you have what? You have 84 divided by 28. Now x is equal to 3. It's a positive 3. That brings us to the end of this question. So we have what? We have ENS is equals to 3. Okay, let's tidy up. So this one has done its work. Minus times minus is a plus. Good. And then we tidy up here, we tidy up here. And this brings us to the end of this question. Our answer is 3. Beautiful.